In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on Instagram using computer. Posting from your desktop or laptop can be really handy, especially if your photos are already saved on your computer or you prefer typing on a full keyboard. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can confidently publish a post without needing your phone. First, open your web browser and go to the Instagram website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, head over to your profile page by clicking your profile picture or profile icon, usually found on the left-hand side or at the bottom of the sidebar. This takes you to your main profile where you can see your existing posts and account details. On the left-hand column of the screen, look for the option labeled Create. Go ahead and click on Create. This is Instagram's desktop tool for adding new content, similar to the plus button in the mobile app. A small menu will appear with different options. From that menu, click on Post. This tells Instagram that you want to create a standard feed post, not a story or anything else. Next, a window will pop up prompting you to add media. Click on Select from Computer. This will open your computer's file browser. From here, navigate through your folders and select the image you want to use. Click on the file, then confirm to open it. The image will now load into Instagram. Once the image is loaded, you'll see cropping options. Here you can adjust the aspect ratio, zoom in or out, and drag the image to frame it exactly how you want. Take a moment to make sure the important parts of your photo are visible. When you're happy with how it looks, click Next to move on. You'll now see the editing and filter screen. If you'd like, choose a filter to change the look and feel of your image, or make basic adjustments like brightness and contrast. This step is optional, so if your photo already looks good, you can simply click Next again. Now it's time to add your caption and final settings. Type in your caption, add hashtags if you're using them, and tag any relevant accounts. You can also choose advanced options here, like turning off comments if needed. When everything looks good and you're ready to publish, click on Share. Instagram will upload your image, apply your settings, and your new post will appear on your profile, all from your computer.